I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. First, confirm compatibility and back up critical files so you can roll back if needed. Once done, log into an admin account and run Windows Update to install pending patches. That reduces errors during upgrade. Next, download and launch the Windows 10 Media Creation tool. Choose Upgrade this PC now. This starts file verification and prepares the installer. You're acting now to minimize interruptions and ensure the installer has the latest prerequisites. You'll now configure what to keep and how the installer behaves. When the tool asks, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps if you want to preserve settings. Pick Custom only if you're doing a clean install. Make sure the laptop is on AC power and disconnect printers and external drives to avoid driver conflicts. The installer checks compatibility and lists known issues. Read warnings, accept the license, and let it copy files. After copying, the system restarts several times, while Windows 10 installs components and drivers. Once Windows 10 finishes installing, you'll walk through setup prompts, configure privacy choices, and sign into your Microsoft account to restore settings. After the desktop appears, run Windows Update and open Device Manager to update any drivers and clear warning icons. This stabilizes performance and peripherals. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Windows keeps a rollback option for 10 days in settings recovery, or you can rerun the Media Creation tool to repair or reinstall. That single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.